Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane. If you're new, please make sure you hit that red rectangle button, which is down below right here, followed by the post notification bell, so it notifies you every time I drop a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome. Thank you for coming back. Please continue to join me because I got lots more for you. I feel like I keep switching it up, but hey, that's gonna be my intro. Alright, it felt good. But yeah, so in today's video, see me in same clothes because it's the same day. And I'm going to be doing another video after this, so bear with me if you keep seeing me in the same clothes. And I'm going to keep repeating it. But anyways, so I just came up with this video because I was doing the shorts video. So hopefully I dropped that one before I drop this one. So YouTube has been changing a lot. As you guys see, they're coming out with new features. I'm loving the new features YouTube has. Like, first it was when it tells you when your subscribers are online. Even though that is still in works, they're still trying to improve. It hasn't really worked for me no more because I'm sticking to the schedule what it was there before. Like, I post Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday because that's what was working. That was what got my views peak. But everybody's back in school or work, so yeah, it's kind of hard. But anyways, YouTube is coming out with new features. This is what they came out. Like, I just noticed it this weekend. I don't know when my phone updated. I still need to get the iOS 14. It's keep telling me I need to get the iOS 14. I'm going to do that, don't worry. And then I'll do a video, so y'all stay tuned for that video. But, like I said, I already have the updated. I already have my phone already on the automatic thing to update because I don't want to deal with it. So it just updates when it wants to. But yeah, so I was on the weekend, I was looking through and I seen that YouTube updated. So let me screen record. And yes, Night Random, I'm still on your page. So y'all go check out Night Random because this guy has good videos. Like, you won't be bored. Trust me, you won't be bored. Even when you're watching it and you're like, you feel like you're bored or like you get distracted, you will get right back into his video. That always happens to me. Like, because I'll be doing other stuff in between, but I'm right back into the video. Like, you haven't missed anything of what he said. But yeah, I'm on this video. As you can see, this is a video that I already watched, already commented already. But yeah, up here, as you can see, this thing up here, that's the autoplay. So it says pause, autoplay on, and then it shows that on button. And then when it's paused, it says it's off. And then this thing here, that's for the TV, as you can see, right? It says autoplay, AirPlay, and Bluetooth device thing with TV code, and then learn more. And then this is with the CC, so like the caption, closed caption. And then this is all the stuff here. So everything is up there instead of down here, which I like. I still don't like how this is here. No, but it's updated. You see how the comments, I didn't like when YouTube updated the comment. When you were playing the video, it covered the whole thing. So I don't even know when the video is about to end, or like I can't even see half of the video. So I was like, YouTube needs to fix this. Maybe somebody told them to fix it, but now when I play it, it doesn't even cover. So like, you see how Night Random is about to speak or whatever, it like literally covers half of his face and I'm only seeing his eyes, and I'm like, I can't see. How am I gonna comment? Because I'm a type of person that, half of you who know me, my subscribers, when I'm watching your video, I write in paragraphs. So like, as I'm watching the video, I'm typing. And you can't even pause. Yeah, you can't pause in the, what is it called? You can't pause, but you can't pause while the video is playing and you're typing. That's what I'm saying in the comments. So like, I like to type as I'm watching. And I don't like when people distract me. When they're distracting me, I'm like, okay, hold on, I have to copy and paste. So this is what it is now. It doesn't cover his face, and I like that. Let me show y'all. So you see how he's talking, and I'm ready to type.
YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day today.
Let's see, blah blah blah.
Hope you guys have an awesome weekend.
And it's
right
showing.
Now,
you see?
know what I'm going to do.
I can see everything now. I can see him, even though it's a little covered. It's a little covered. As you can see, it's a little half. But I can still see him, which I like that. I can still see him. Like, still, you know, it's not all covered. Before it was a struggle. Sometimes I waited till the video was ended and then I typed. Like, I didn't like my response. Like, people know me as writing paragraphs. I don't always write paragraphs because sometimes the video, it's already self-explanatory. I don't need to write all that, you know what I'm saying? But like majority of the time I write paragraphs. When they had that thing where covered, I wasn't really saying a lot, and then I know my subscribers were like, why am I not typing like in paragraphs like before? It's because I can't stop and keep going, you know what I mean? It's just too much. I used to put in my notes, copy, and I'm like, I can't do that no more. But yeah, so as you can see, that feature, and then this is like the normal. You can see that everything changed, right? You can see it more clearly like this and all. This is my comment right here. So as soon as I click my name, I love this feature. Like I was telling you in the other video, I love it. Like I've been playing, I was like, I like this. Already shows you your background. Even though my channel banner is a little cut. I need to make a new one, but not yet. But yeah, I just look at this. This looks so professional, like a better app. And then look, even like when let's say it's playing, right?
Station.
I can still see him.
Locate.
I can still see him. I can still see what's going on in the video, even though it's kind of hot, but I can still see him. I like that. Look at that. Tells you when I joined YouTube, so it says 3 years ago. Then down here under where it says 3 years, it would say how many subscribers I have, but I blocked it. But like I said, if you want a video of how to hide your subscribers, comment down below. And then here it says learn more about this feature, but I'll show you that after. And then it says on this channel. So on this channel, it tells you exactly the things I did on this channel. So it says on this channel, which what I did was, so far I commented 226 comments, and then I received from Night Random 119 hearts. Wow. I never knew I was a top commenter. Look at this. It says top commenter, y'all. Wow. Because his videos are educational, y'all. I tell you. I learned so much. Like, there are videos, like we talked about this. He even tells me. There are videos in there that are not something that I would watch, but I learned from it. Like his, one of his videos. Like his car videos. I'm not interested in cars. Now I'm interested in cars after watching his videos. Like the way he presents the what is it called? His videos, the way he speaks and everything is just like a presentation. Like he caught my eye. He caught my eye of, how do I say this? He caught my attention in his video. So I've been, ever since I found his video, I haven't left. Yes, some days I don't catch up or whatever, but he understands. Because I have other people I have to support. But I have not left. Like his videos, you know, they're top notch. Y'all go subscribe to him, please. Because you're missing out if you're not subscribed to him. But anyways, let me continue. So it says received one of the highest number of hearts from Night Random. Like I told y'all. And then it says recent comments. So then it tells you where I replied on, which I like. So like, let's say I got a notification saying he replied back to my comment of what I said. Instead of me going to search to find the video of where I commented, voila, I go back and I reply to it. So it tells you all the recent stuff I did on this video. So as soon as I click this one, it says replied on car vlog going to vote. I think this is the one that's the one already. Look, yeah, that's the one already. So let me go back. So the next one I replied on was how to top up a different car fluid. So already, see? But where's my comment? There's my comment at the bottom. As you can see, he said LOL okay. Oh, I said LOL okay. And then there, yeah, it just takes me right to the comment. And then I like that. Then it says view channel. Whose channel is it? My channel. So I don't know if I click on my profile. Oh, once you click on your profile picture, it automatically goes there. So, or you could press view channel itself. And then there you go. And then I could press that. And then there you go. Let's see for next person. So like, I don't know this person. It says Tropical Fish Craze channel. It shows you everything that they did. It says they joined 2 years ago. And then it says subscribe. So it says subscribe right here. Mine never showed it because obviously it's my channel. So I'm going to click on there right there. and they hit their subscription. Let's find somebody who hasn't hit their subscription. So it says Brianna with a twist. So she, or Brina, I'm probably reading it wrong. I'm sorry, girl. So it says top commenter, and then it says public subscribers. So her subscribers are public. So if it's off, I think it will tell you. I'm going to go look. Then it says joined 7 years ago, and then it says subscribe, and then it shows you how many subscribers she has up there. And then here shows all her subscriptions right at the bottom right away. And then I can go look at her subscriptions right away when you go straight to her channel. I love this. Look at that. Okay, let's look at this one. I don't think I'm subscribed to this one. See, no. Super Mom Go. So y'all, the people who I'm showing, y'all just go subscribe to them. I gotta check out these people's channel too, but I've been so busy. But yeah, it says 40 comments on this channel, whatever. And there's a banner. I love her banner though. Look at that. It's just right there in your face. It's great. Then yeah, it says subscribe, and then yeah, tells you how many subscribers. I wanted to see if it showed shorts or something, like their stories. That would be great if they had, like, YouTube needs to come up with it. Let's see this person. No subscribers and all. Yeah, but that's it. That's the new features I've seen on YouTube so far. Okay, so that is all I've seen. Oh, another new feature YouTube has done. Let me show y'all. So you go to your creative studio, and then you go to your dashboard, right? No, yeah, you go to your not dashboard, you click the 3 lines or whatever near the dashboard, and then you go to analytics. No, you go to video, and then over here you sort by most recent videos, and then most viewed, and then visibility. You could see, like, you could click on draft, has scheduled, unlisted, private videos, and all. And then there's the live streams that you did. I saw that. I was like, that is sick. Finally, I was like, finally you could see all my live. Remember what I was telling you guys? They said if you go to, what is it called, your YouTube Studio app, and you can see where you live stream. But I feel like that was only for monetized channels. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something great on my channel. No, I don't know. That's why I'm getting it. That's all, y'all. Those are the new features. So besides, okay, shorts is a new feature. The live on your YouTube Studio app is a new feature to me. Maybe it's not new to you, but to me it's new. In the YouTube app, the comments and you clicking the videos and all that, and then it shows you the comments that you recently commented, so you could automatically do that. You could click on somebody's profile, see their subscriptions, how many subscribers they have, and you can see the audio play right at the top when you're watching some of these videos. And now finally, when you're watching a video, you can see full screen of their face instead of half screen. But yeah, these are the new features that YouTube has. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all let me know if y'all seen these features or if y'all have some of these features. But yeah, y'all let me know down in the comments. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be, let me count, in 2 hours and 30 minutes from now, because it's 12:30. So, y'all, I have a surprise coming for you. Well, some of you are going to say it's a surprise, some of you it's not. But it's a surprise. So, just wait for my next video, which is going to be in 2 hours and 30 minutes, okay? You're going to see what I'm talking about. Like, I'm coming out videos. Hopefully, I can post 5 days a week now, but it's going to be hard because editing is a lot. So, I'm going to try to cut down everything. But yeah, again, I'm talking. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video in 2 hours. Alright? Bye, y'all.